Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix products not showing in Shift4Shop. So if your products are not showing in Shift4Shop, it usually means there is a configuration, visibility or caching issue in your store. So to fix that issue, you'll need us first to check the product status. So just go to the Shift4Shop, log in with your account from here, and then just go with Shift4Shop admin. Then go with the products option, and afterward manage products. So open a product that isn't showing and make sure it's active or the active and enabled is checked. And visible on storefront is enabled and category assigned is correctly. Okay, so the products that are inactive or not assigned to a category will not appear. And then check the product catalog and categories. So just go to the products, then go with categories option, and afterward make sure your category is enabled and visible. And the products and disabled categories will not show on the storefront. If your store is set to hide out of stock items, products with zero inventory won't display. Also, you will need to check the pricing. So make sure the product has price sets and the products without price may not display on the storefront. And make sure to go ahead and click on the three dots that's located at the top right of the browser. Then go with the settings option and privacy and security afterward. And then just click on delete browsing data just like so. And right here, just go ahead and select last 24 hours and go with delete data. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.